not like stupid hot, but it's getting there. So we're gonna take a little strip and set it on there, and I guess see how it goes. I'm sure a lot of you were wondering how we got to this point, so let me rewind it a little bit so you guys can get caught up. What's up? Hell. Yeah.
Sick. You ride the Mercedes?
Uh-huh.
Really? He was shooting rifles all day. He bought a new gun, and he's like, "Oh, I've been shooting it. I've put it into the safe, but I'm on my way." He said that 40 minutes ago. And then I called him just now. He's like, "I'm leaving." Like, all right.
So guys, I'm super excited today. We're jumping into the video really quick. I'm super excited. This is something I've been leading into on the channel for a long time. Urban lifted truck cooking, urban truck. We're cooking out of the back of a lifted truck, okay? That's the goal. The title of the video is probably gonna be, if it's getting windy and the wind noise is bad, I'm sorry, just stay focused. My coworker came up with a great name for today's video, so I'm gonna rock with it because he had recommended it. Street side sirloin, because we got sirloins to cook today, some steak. And I'm super excited. So the whole goal is we're gonna cook the steak in the back of the truck here. I'm gonna do a complete walk around tour of the back of the truck because there's a lot of stuff back here. So the rain is coming, I think, kinda, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. Before we jump into this, I am missing a couple things because Zach is not at the shop yet, and that's where we are. So we are missing a couple things. He has the charcoal starter and the salt and pepper for the sirloins. Now I did bring some seasoning, and I do think there is a way that we can get the charcoal started. May not happen as quick, but we're gonna make it work. So let's get started. Are you excited?
Is that what the gas is for?
No, actually.
Okay. I was about to. That's a bad idea, but fuck it. Why not? I was wondering why you had a thing of gas back here, and I didn't know if that was your plan or was something.
That actually might work. Okay, all right, let's go. Come on. I've got matches. So charcoal. I guess we have gas now. We got our little $30 Lowe's grill and a Yeti cooler with the steak in it. We are good to go. The whole point of this today is to do this out of the back of my truck. So just, we'll see how it goes, I guess. We're gonna set this up right there and we're gonna get started. I forgot that I had gas back here. That actually works out really good. So we're gonna throw a little bit of new charcoal in there.
What the hell?
Not my best idea.
It doesn't take much.
Don't try this at home. Oh, okay, yep, we're gonna go right there. Less is more. We can always put more on. We can't take any off. So, and I'm also in the back of my truck. So,
I don't want to get too close.
Here, get that.
I'll get it.
Woo!
Might want to move your cooler.
That went quick, yeah.
Simple.
Well, we'll get better at this as we do it more. But hey, we're cooking in the back of the truck. Okay, real quick. So while we're waiting on we're probably gonna have to wait 30 or 40 minutes for the coals to get hot. So before we get into this, we have some sirloin steaks. We got sirloin steaks that we're cooking today. They were $7.20, and since we're in the back of the truck, I figured we might as well do a quick little tour of the back of the truck. Is this your
That's my buddy.
This your buddy? Hell yeah, look at this thing.
Turbo diesel in an 83 Mercedes. This thing didn't run for 20 years. Went out there, put a battery in it, and started right up. After 20 years.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
So we're gonna do a quick tour of the back of the truck. I'm gonna show you guys everything that's in the back of the truck right now. We have the part of the grill. We have a fishing rod that me and Thomas don't ever catch anything with. Keys, top to the grill. Some sockets that I used at work a couple weeks ago. 4-inch spacers. If any of you guys want these, too bad. They're gonna stay in the back of my truck. I got a flagpole that I need to cut for Christina. I got some gas here. A case of water. I got the blade to the lawnmower, my in-laws lawnmower that I broke a couple weeks ago. I got a Scrub Daddy, a couple Nesquik bottles, an old tackle box, another gas can. I think there's a Let's Get This Bread hoodie down there somewhere. Floor mats from inside my truck. I want to say a 5-gallon water jug that has no water in it. Another gas can, hell yeah, because you can never have too much gas. The old wheel lights from my truck. For those of you that didn't see yesterday's video, we do have the new wheel lights. I have not put them on yet though. Christina's probably gonna shoot me if I don't put hers on the Tahoe first before I fix mine. So you'll probably see the ones on the Tahoe first. And let's see, we got an extension cord that's been sitting in the rain for 2 days. Probably should not leave that in the rain. An old CB axle, and then we have the 1-inch blocks and U-bolts for my truck. So we come, and a Yeti cooler with a couple of pretty cool things, and then half a ratchet strap. So we come prepared to any occasion. That's all I'm gonna say. We come prepared. This is gonna take
party in the back.
Yeah, this is gonna take some time. For those of you that don't know, my name is Alex. I drive a 2014 Silverado on a 9-inch lift with really wide wheels and tires, Thatwide.bowtie, blah blah, that whole thing. So, I guess we'll pick back up when the coals get hot. You said it's a 83?
83 or 82?
83 Mercedes turbo diesel with the
Hellcat. What do you call it? The Hellcat intake?
Hellcat intake, turbo, rolls coal, the roof rack, light bars on the front, 212s in the back seat. This thing is a fucking monster. It's kind of a sleeper too, because when you see it going down the road, I guarantee you don't imagine any of that stuff being done to it. And then he starts rolling coal and you hear the blow off valve and it sounds like a fucking race car and you're just like, god damn. That thing's freaking awesome. If you wide body this thing, oh my god. So long story short, Zach had the charcoal started. I had every intention of using a charcoal starter. Everything was gonna be fine, but we got gas in the back of the truck and starter fluid. So obviously it's way too windy outside. I'm not gonna be able to start the coals this way, and we don't have that much time to sit around and wait for this. So I took some of the paper from the bag, there you go, from the bag, and I put it underneath some of the charcoal. Again, probably not my best idea, but we're gonna start this fire. Just for the hell of it, spray a little bit of starter fluid.
Wait, are you gonna light the match and spray it?
Oh no, I'm not.
That's a bad idea.
Oh shit. Now it's on my hand. Oh fuck. In the back of my truck, ladies and gentlemen. Beautiful. Beautiful. We do have a bunch of water right here just in case. So everything's fine. We're trained professionals. Don't try this at home. It's a fresh knife right there. So that's money right there. Money. Money. Flip her over. We're doing it now. We're doing it now. So I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. I'm having a lot of trouble getting the fire started, and I know one way, the stupidest thing, I don't know which one of us came up with this idea. I think he had said cook it on the truck, like on the engine, but I think the exhaust pipe might be a little bit of a better idea. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna set this down on the ground while we're waiting for this to get hot for us to actually cook the steaks. I'm gonna start the truck up, and we're actually gonna put one of the steaks on the exhaust pipe. So what we're gonna do is take our handy dandy knife here, and we're just gonna cut probably like what?
You just wanna do like a little nugget piece?
Like,
or do you wanna do like a little strip?
Maybe like that much?
Yeah, do like a little strip of it.
Like a little strip?
That should be good.
We're gonna do that much, and we're gonna cook it on the exhaust pipe. So I'm gonna go start the truck up, and we're gonna let it heat up. Hell yeah.
Gotta get a clip of that start.
Get the cold start up.
5-3 straight pipe. I wish I had a 5-3 because of that sound. So I think you just lay it on like right here.
You think like, yeah, like
right here? Yeah.
Cook all the bad stuff out of it, right? That honestly, that's probably the best spot. You don't think I could like just kind of lay it right
Or yeah, maybe try that.
Kind of lay it like right there? I think that's probably the best spot to do it before this gets.
And then you can watch it cook.
Yeah. That's probably the cleanest spot anyway. All right. I guess we wait for it to get hot, and then I guess once it gets hot enough to where the water just evaporates off of it, then
it's good to go.
Yeah, it'll be good to go. So like right now, obviously it's definitely not hot enough, so we'll wait a couple minutes and I'll get back with you. All right, guys, moment of truth. Hold on, is my knife back here?
Where'd you set your knife?
Oh, it's in my pocket. Wow. Okay. All right, you ready? I mean, it's not like stupid hot, but it's getting there. So we're gonna take a little strip and set it on there, and I guess see how it goes. It didn't immediately like sizzle, so it's not like stupid hot, but oh.
I just had my face there too. I backed up.
That's good. It's either gonna be really good or really bad, but I promise you, I don't really think this has ever been done before. But yes, we are absolutely gonna taste test it. Absolutely. I'd say it's been on, what, 10 minutes?
About 10 minutes.
Probably about 10 minutes. A little flippy.
Oh, yeah.
Hey.
It's brown now.
It's cooking a little bit. Get on there, baby. Did it turn out good? So while I'm cooking, they're cooking Vienna sausages, and he actually cooked steak on his turbo too. And the steak, I had a piece of it, the first piece that he put on there. It turned out really freaking good. I'm really surprised. We're gonna do a flip number 2. So the steak on his turbo cooked really fast because obviously the turbo's in the engine bay. I have the part of the exhaust that's as far away from the engine as physically possible, so mine's cooking a little bit slower, but nonetheless, it is actually cooking very slowly, but it's cooking. It's turning. Here, we're gonna do a little flip for you guys. We're gonna do a quick little flip here for you guys. Look at that, turning brown, baby, let's go. So I think we'll probably leave it here for maybe a couple more minutes, and then, I mean, it'll be a little bit of medium rare, but who doesn't like it a little pink anyways, right?
It is now.
All right, we're gonna cut the truck off. I think it's not as cooked as I want it to be, but like I said, guys, this part of the exhaust is the farthest away from the vehicle as possible. This was a last minute spur of the moment thing. If we would have wanted to do this originally, I would have drove the truck around for a good 30 minutes, really got it heated up, and this process would have went a lot quicker. But it is the moment of truth. Time to take our medium rare or rare steak off of the exhaust. This is the perhaps the greatest thing I've ever done on this channel. Correct me if I'm wrong. It might be
one of the top.
It might be one of the top things I've ever done on this channel. So we're gonna. That's actually cooked in the middle. It's just kind of raw, like raw on the outside.
Just the outside.
Raw. Look at the inside of that.
That's dark.
That's freaking cooked. Y'all gotta try this. Hold on. Official taste test.
Should we set the camera up?
Yeah. Shut the. We're gonna come all the way out here with it. Official taste test. Y'all make sure you get on camera. Take you a piece. Take you a piece. Take you a piece. Let me know what you think. Steak, sirloin steak, cooked on my exhaust pipe.
That's good.
10 out of 10.
Is it
Hey, man,
good?
That's better than it on the grill.
Oh yeah.
The seasoning helped a little bit.
Yeah, we seasoned the hell out of these things. It's a little tough, but we cooked it on the exhaust pipe, so. Good. I'm gonna focus. Y'all want some of that? Look, ooh. That turned out a lot better than I thought it would.
It really did.
To be honest.
It turned out good.
I don't really taste any exhaust fumes, I guess. There's definitely.
It tastes like seasoning in a normal steak.
Yeah,
that's what it tastes like.
To be completely honest, I don't taste any exhaust. I don't know what the scientific name for the exhaust is, but we do actually have some steaks cooking over here as well. These are gonna be, honestly, these steaks are probably gonna be worse. These are gonna taste like gasoline.
Yeah.
To be honest.
We put so much gas on that fire.
Yeah, we put a lot of gas on that fire. Thank you, Zach. Thank you. Huge shout out to Zach on that one. That does not look, honestly, that does not look half bad. That looks pretty freaking good, to be honest. Wow.
Is this your first time cooking off the back of the truck?
This is my very first time cooking off the back of the truck, and it went from cooking out of the back of my truck to cooking on the exhaust pipe.
To cooking on the truck. Off the back to on.
Yeah, it tastes like gas.
It does?
That tastes like straight gasoline. Hold on. Here, y'all just eat that one. I'm not gonna eat. This one's gonna taste the same, so y'all just. Oh, that tastes like straight. Oh, that's.
The exhaust steak was better?
The exhaust steak was so much better. It's cooked all the way through. I mean, it's cooked good. It's nice and not rare at all. That tastes like straight gasoline. That's straight gasoline.
Dude, I feel like...
Ah, that's fucking disgusting. You don't have to eat it. Ah, that's kind of nasty, to be honest.
I didn't get it.
Really?
No, just a little bit. Dude, that's bad.
So, in the let's recap here. Let's recap here. Don't cook your steaks with gasoline, but you can cook your steaks on your exhaust pipe. That is what we have learned today. Thank you guys so much for stopping by the channel. If you guys like today's content, make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, join the bread gang. We're on the road to 365 days, daily vlogs straight. If you like these kind of videos, make sure to smash the hell out of that like button, show some support for your boy, and I will see you guys next time. You want to say it for me?
Let's get this bread.
That's what I'm talking about.